got them everywhere. Head first.
Dave with his walleye. Good job. Dave Kerr here with Western PA Anglers. I'm out in the Conemaugh River and we're going to do a catch and clean cook walleye. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm on right now. This one's legal too by the looks of it. Oh yeah. This one's legal too. I'm pretty sure that's legal. Let's see, where did I put my... There it is. I'm going to measure it. Let's see here. I'm guessing it's about 18. Oops. 16. Hey, that is a legal walleye. There we go, first nice walleye of the year. The wife will be happy. Hey everyone, so here's that walleye that we got earlier today. I'm just going to do a real quick video on how to fillet it up. I'm going to show you about the cheek meat. Some people don't know about this cheek meat here. And we'll just do that real quick. Always make sure you got a sharp knife. I don't know if mine's sharp. We'll find out. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the cheek meat out. It's just right behind the eye. Just kind of poke down in there. Work your way around. Obviously on the bigger walleye you will get more meat. But this is one of the best parts, so you definitely don't want to forget about it. We got a little piece of meat right there. Like I said, on the bigger walleye, it will be bad. It will be a little bigger. Let's throw that in the water. Nice piece of meat right there. Kind of looks like a little scallop. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just fillet the fish. Get it behind. Just follow along the backbone. Till you get past the stomach, then you can go all the way through. And you'll hear the blade dance off the ribs. Come on, fish, stay still. And that is one walleye fillet right there. Nice white meat. Clean my blade off real quick. Been a couple of years since I've actually been able to take a walleye home. I haven't gotten a keeper walleye in a couple of years. In the state of Pennsylvania, they need to be 15. This one was pushing just about 17. And that's about your typical size out of the Conemaugh River. They do get bigger in the Conemaugh, but it's kind of hard to find them. But your average size is about, 18, 20. I gotta do this right-handed. There we go. Hi, Bubs. What, Bubs? Fishy. Yep, we'll clean the fishy.
Big one?
It is a big one, isn't it? Get it all through there. Walleye skin is tough.
Mommy,
got some small Y bones right in here. In this size of fillet, they're not really that gigantic of a deal. I see, Bubs. Fishy. And all I'm going to do is just take the skin off. The skin's real tough. Yep. That's one fillet. Bubbies. You silly. Kind of messed up this other fillet a little bit. Trying to do it left-handed when I'm not left-handed. But since we got little pin bones right there, I'm just going to cut those right out. Scales are in the way. Aren't you being silly? Yeah. There we go. See if this works. Okay. That's just pin bones and all that. Fillet. I've been shown how to do something called zippering them. It's where you essentially, if you do it right, I haven't done this in a while, you essentially just zipper the pin bones right out, which is something along the lines of doing this. Oh, and the boy hit his head. You okay? You okay? You bumped your head, didn't you? Uh-huh. And that's just bones that it's throughout that little piece right there. Little pin bones. So, essentially, not on a fish this small, it's not like you're going to get a ton of meat, but the meat that you get is pretty good meat. That's really all there is to it. A couple of small pieces of walleye fillet there. Bigger ones are always a little better when it comes to that. But this will work for now. Okay, so all I'm going to do with this fish is I've got it breaded and seasoned. And I'm just going to put it in a pan here with duck fat. We had duck last night for supper. And I want to try fish and duck fat. We've never done this before, so we're just going to see how this comes out. And just like about any fish, just fry it until it's golden brown. And we'll be back when that's done. Getting that nice golden color. finished product. Right here we have a piece of cheek meat. And here's one of the back fillets. I'm going to show you here real quick with the cheek meat. The texture is a little different than what you're going to get from a normal fillet. A little bit more firm, more like a, kind of peels off like chicken a little bit. And see here with the fillet itself, nice, flaky, beautiful white meat. And if you've never had walleye before, the easiest thing I can compare it to, or the best thing I can compare it to, would be haddock or cod or something like that. This is one of the best, most tasty fish, freshwater fish that you can get. So, thanks for watching. You guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. We're going to try to put out some more walleye videos this year. Make sure you subscribe, share the video. Thanks for watching, guys.